I want to show you how neurotic these people are. Because truckers are out on the streets. Started off with this classic. Our kitty fear pooped in our bed. Among other places, she never has accidents outside of the box. I'm livid. My poor little girl. I feel so terrified for the pets of downtown. Those fucking truckers out on the streets of Ottawa are making cats stress shit all over their owners' faces and their living rooms and their bedrooms and their apartments. Redditors are locked in their apartments right now with their cats stress shitting all over the place, and there's nothing they can do about it. I want you to imagine yourself in that situation. Oh. No, Mittens, no. Oh, no, stop the honking. He's shitting everywhere. No, Mittens, stop. Whiskers, no. That's Mama's Francie. Get off the box. Oh, stop shitting everywhere. Fucking cats, stop the honking. No. Whiskers is a bad kitten. No, stop it. Fucking stop it, Whiskers. You're getting shit all over Mama's Franzia. No. No. It's a bad cat. That's the life of Redditors right now. For like the last 2 days. Non-stop. Non-stop cat shits, non-stop honking.